right, y'all. So I have a Glock here. I'm going to shoot a few rounds because Twin Jenks 1 and 2 and others want to see me shoot a Glock. I wasn't going to shoot a Glock, but because yeah, we have the Glocks here. We'll go ahead and shoot some for the challenge. But I have some other guns here that, yeah, but I have a Glock 40. A Glock 4 here, which is chambered at 9mm. So I'm just going to do 10 rounds, maybe at 7 yards, just to see what I'm working with, and post your targets and there, y'all. Yeah, let's just.
Magazine full beam, certified queen, teach the world regime. I real girl, she a safety machine. You let's see how she got the pass. And our girl with the tactical class, tactical alignment, she run that biz. Awareness and balance, that's how she lives. Come things reloaded, lock squeeze, tactical girl, sweet breeze, grip firm, sideways and tall with ease.
All right, y'all. So we are back. I fired a little bit with the Glock, and you know my challenges and all. To be fair, no close my target. Not bad though, considering I got, like I said, my challenges. I did fire with left-handed grip, right-handed grip. Aha! I'm calling y'all out to switch up your grips. And guess what? If you want to zoom in here, we have the Glock 17. With the rugged obsidian suppressor. So we're going to fire this on the same target. See what we got. This is my first time shooting, so send a little great. Fun. We're gonna have to get some more footage with this suppressor, y'all.
All right.